so today is June 8 pa rin. Time check is 11:55 in the evening. We're here now at Manila International Airport. So actually yung flight namin is 7 a.m. pa. Pumunta na kami dito kasi baka ma-traffic kami in the morning. Nagbayad ako ng travel tax, 1,620 per person. Madali lang naman siya. Wala namang pila at this hour. Kumuha ka ng bag tag. And we're just waiting for our check-in. Yung flight to open for check-in. Since wala pa siya doon sa naka-post sa screen. So, pipili na kami ngayon sa immigration. Shocks, ang daming tao. So, since bubble ang phone dito, so see you na lang later. Hello again, everyone. Good morning na. It's now June 9, 2024. 1:39 a.m. and finally we passed exam yarn. We passed the immigration. Binigay ko muna yung, of course, yung passport and boarding pass code. And tinanong ako saan ako nag-Uber. Hiningan ako ng certification. So, nabigay ko naman na siya. And tinanong pala muna kung sino yung mga kasama ko. Yun lang naman. So, just be confident with your answer. Kung tour lang naman yung purpose mo talaga sa pagka-travel, ba't ka naman kakabahan? Papunta na ako yun sa aming boarding gate. And yun, mag-wait na lang kami ng aming boarding time. So, see you in Taiwan! Hi guys, so medyo haggard na tayo today. Hindi medyo, haggard pala talaga. But we already passed immigration and customs here in Taiwan. And we're trying our
next one
locks at Lucky Land. So, scan mo yung QR code mo.
Pindot ka na.
Pick a point.
Hindi ko nakikita ng video. Ano magagawin? How to claim?
Doon na ata siya.
Siya lang. Congrats.
Out of 3 travelers, ako lang yung nanalo ng 5,000 NTD from Taiwan, the Lucky Land, which is equivalent to more or less 8,800 pesos sa current conversion rate. Register at Taiwan, the Lucky Land within 7 days prior your departure and get a chance to win 5,000 NTD voucher courtesy of Taiwan Tourism. Just visit their official website, check their guidelines, and register. When claiming your prize, present your winning QR code, passport and boarding pass, and your hotel booking or accommodation, proof that you're only visiting Taiwan as a tourist.
May pang-tap na ako. Tara, let's go! So, after yung nag-immigration, sundan niyo lang yung line. Andun na kasi nakalagpas na kami yung immigration. So, somewhere there. Tapos, makikita niyo naman yung Lucky Land. Pag may nakita kayong orange na booth, Lucky Land na yun. Oras is 10:19 a.m. We're now setting up our SIM cards na nabili namin sa Shopee. Hindi ko alam kung mag-withdraw pa ako since nanalo naman ako ng nito. So, we're going to our Airbnb in a while. Pag na-set up na yung SIM card, nakapag-withdraw na, and bibili kami ng Easy Card dito sa airport. So, hindi ko alam kung saan dito. So, iikutin na lang muna namin yung airport kung saan may 7-Eleven.
I think you can buy Easy Card from these machines. And if I remember it correctly, wala yata pang sukli yung machine na to kaya hinanap namin yung 7-Eleven. We were having trouble locating 7-Eleven and we took the wrong stairs pababa. So we asked the airport staff already. Or better yet, just look for the signages at the arrival area to locate the 7-Eleven, and from there, you can buy an Easy Card.
Sa counter yun.
Ayan na to?
Ah.
Kahit ano dyan.
Bili na din kaya ako, tsaka na lang ako mag-top up.
Easy Card costs 150 NTD and above depending on the design. Meron kasing parang mga keychain design pero mas mahal na siya.
Yan ba to? Platform. Pwede ba dyan? Sa may luggage. Charging area. We're now here at Taipei main station, and we were charged 150 NTD for the MRT fare. So that's around less than 300 pesos. 30 minutes yung biyahe. Mas okay yung purple line kasi dire-diretso yung biyahe. So I used my Taiwan Lucky Land card to tap on train fares. May 5,000 NTD tayong money. Eh, hindi pa ako nag-withdraw. Kakain muna kami and we'll update you guys later. It's raining. It's raining. Haggard be. Haggard yan. It's humid. Maalinsangan. Maulan. Kakaulan lang. Basa yung kalsada dito sa Taiwan. Maglalakad na lang siguro kami papunta sa Airbnb namin para tipid. Tsaka exercise na rin. 20 minutes away yun by walk yung aming Airbnb. Wala kaming payo. So baka sa mga susunod na araw ay maulan dito sa Taiwan. Although, expected na rin naman na siya namin since lagi kami nag-check ng weather. So let me show you what's my POV.
This travel was somehow out of impulse because we were thinking the visa-free offer of Taiwan will be ending soon, like July of 2024. Gusto namin makahabol, so we booked a flight for June. Sakto naman dahil birthday month pareho ng mga kasama ko. We already researched the weather condition prior to booking. It was actually one of the major factors for this travel. Nonetheless, we still pushed through.
So may shades na ako, girl. Kasi may init.
If the visa-free extension was announced sooner, we could have booked on a later date on a cold season.
Papunta na tayong Airbnb. Akala ko kakain muna. Kasi wala man makainan.
Our flight was expensive compared to vlogs and posts I've seen and read online for a basic fare. Pikit mata na lang na nag-book, matuloy lang yung travel na to. minutes of walking, we passed by the famous Hello Kitty 7-Eleven. We grabbed some light snacks and my first dose of caffeine. We didn't stay too long since we still have our luggage. Finally, we arrived in our Airbnb. And let me give you a tour. Maliit lang tong unit which can only accommodate 3 guests maximum. Host is transparent naman sa description sa app, so unahin na natin yung restroom. This has shower, adjacent yung washing machine, which is one of the things I like about this unit. Konti lang dala kong damit kaya pwedeng maglaba. No windows as well. Good thing may AC of course and dehumidifier. Magulo na yung kwarto dito sa video dahil nailapag na namin lahat ng gamit. We booked this 1 day in advance since 4 p.m. pa ang check-in and we arrived at the unit 1 p.m. and we can't wait that long. So at least we can now enter the Airbnb.
We're walking our way to Ximending. Gutom na kami. Wala pa kaming proper meal today. Kain na kayo.
Hindi ka rin tayo dun.
Maingay dito sa sa Ximending. We're trying kahit anong food na makita namin na feeling namin masarap. Mainit be. Summer na talaga. Aside sa maraming ilaw, lalong mainit sa pakiramdam. So we ordered. So ayan lang ba yun? Nakala ko yung sandwich. Ano to? Sausage. Eh? Masarap naman siya. Kaya madaming tao. Hinahanap namin yung hot star. Yung chicken. So, bali, binibili namin mga 1 or 2 pieces lang. Kasi, syempre, madaming kakainin. Baka mabusog kami agad. Eh, gusto pa naman namin ngayon. Mag-hot pot. Pero masarap siya mas masarap siya sa longganisa. Akala ko nga lasang ano. Ano yan? Sa Chinese chorizo. Eh, hindi ako kumakain ng chorizo. Pero masarap yung sausage. Ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa Ximending dahil ang daming tao. Di namin alam saan kayo pupunta talaga. Dong. Masarap. Masarap. Magkano to? 50 NT lang isa. Mainit. Mga 80 pesos. Ganun. Mahal. Pero huwag na kayo mag-convert. Basta kumain na kayo. Our mission today is matry yung shinfutang dahil yun yung lagi ko nakikita sa mga vlogs. Or any other local milk tea dito since dito naman nag-originate yung milk tea. Hindi ako milk tea person. Dati oo. Tapos na yung milk tea era ko. Pero since nandito naman na tayo sa Taiwan, why not try the milk tea? Daming tao dito. Today is Sunday and oras ngayon is 6:43. So hindi kami nakalabas agad kanina kasi pagod sa biyahe. Super early kami nasa airport. Nagpahinga muna. Ano yan? Ano yan? Free stick.
Freshly made na nakamaran.
So, ito yung boba. Yung shinfutang. Freshly made every day. Ang init. Na-order kami nung combo sa street food na, yung milk tea and yung parang chicken pops. Wala namang kakaiba sa lasa, pero masarap. And tender and juicy yung chicken. Yung milk tea naman is hindi katulad sa Philippines na puro yellow. Dito, hindi siya malamig. May yellow siya pero hindi malamig kasi since freshly made yung boba and galing siya sa, ang tawag doon? Sa pan. Kaya mainit. Sayang, susinalida. Pero yung milk tea dito is creamy. Milky. Yung hot star di namin nakita. Temporarily closed daw. Pero try namin balikan later. We're currently here now at Ximending Station, Exit 6. Yung parang one of the centers dito sa sa Ximending. And we're done eating. Nabusog naman kami ng mga milk tea, chicken. Kasi madali naman talaga kaming mabusog. And tumambay na konti. So ngayon is tatambay na lang siguro kami. And uwi na kami mamaya sa Airbnb since maaga pa kami bukas for the tour. Tour is 8 a.m. sa North Coast. And tambay po na kami dito ng konti sa may Exit 6. May nagpo-perform. So para lang siyang BGC vibe. Ganun. And since summer, mainit. Kaya, ayun. Hydrate yourself, peeps. Pag travel kayo dito this June. And medyo cloudy siya pag morning. Pero mga early morning, feeling ko umuulan dito.
一念飞逝尽藏于尘烟，唯一永远不改变，是不停的改变。
So that's it for today, guys. So thank you and see you on my next vlog.